get ready for a big change. Samsung is gearing up to reveal the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra in October this year. This new phone is expected to be incredibly powerful, possibly the strongest ever made. But that's not all. It's also bringing a bunch of new features that we never imagined possible on a smartphone. This is all thanks to something called Galaxy AI 2nd Gen. What sets Samsung apart from other phones, like Androids and iPhones, is Galaxy AI. Samsung is really focusing on this, and they've said they're going all in on AI. The next big upgrade is happening with Bixby, Samsung's AI assistant. They're adding some really cool new features, making it the biggest upgrade to Bixby since it first came out in 2017. During the launch of their new AI-powered home appliances, Samsung revealed that Bixby is getting some major upgrades. Soon, Bixby will be able to understand complex sentences, voice commands, and even have natural conversations with you. It's like having a chat with a voice assistant, similar to ChatGPT. For example, if you ask Bixby what to do with all the vegetables and chicken you bought yesterday, Bixby will understand what you mean and suggest recipes using those ingredients. It's making Bixby a lot smarter and more helpful in everyday tasks. Samsung didn't give us a specific release date for this major Bixby update, but if I had to guess, it might be saved for One UI 7.0 or One UI 7.1, which will be based on Android 15. These are the software updates for the Galaxy S25 series of phones, so we might have to wait until then to see these exciting Bixby features in action. Hey everyone, exciting news! A new Galaxy S flagship phone is on its way this year. Yep, that's right, the S24 series is getting a new edition, the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. According to some big news from South Korean media, the Galaxy S24 FE is expected to launch this summer. And here's the kicker, it's coming way earlier than previous FE models. So, get ready for some summer excitement with the Galaxy S24 FE. According to the source, the mass production of display components for the Galaxy S24 FE is in full swing. This suggests that the S24 FE could join other devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Flip 6, and possibly the Z Fold FE or Fold 6 Ultra at the July Unpacked event. With production volumes already reaching millions, Samsung is banking heavily on the success of the S24 FE launch. So, it looks like there's going to be a whole lineup of exciting products to look forward to at the event. So, let's see how things play out. Samsung is known for being ambitious, always coming up with incredible plans for future foldable devices. Recently, there's been a glimpse of what could be the early prototype design of the Galaxy Book Fold 17-inch. In this concept, Samsung is showing off a foldable laptop with a full-on foldable display and a partial on-screen keyboard. If they can pull off making this Book Fold laptop like they've teased in the concept trailer video, it could be a real hit. Imagine that, a laptop that folds. It's definitely something to keep an eye on. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. So, that's all the latest news. The incredible power of the S25 Ultra is not just about its strength, it's also bringing a massive upgrade to Galaxy AI 2nd Gen. There are lots of features coming, including a big update to Bixby. Exciting stuff ahead. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.
You could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.